Hello, hi, this is Elizabeth.
Yes.
Hi, is everything okay? We got a 911 call from your phone.
Yes, the front house in front of me, I think this is my aunt's grandson just shot her.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
And now he's leaving in her car.
What kind of car? Tell me what kind of car, ma'am.
It's a dark blue Camry. It's a 2017.
Okay.
He just left. He's exiting 32nd Street.
He's going on 32nd toward what, ma'am?
32nd Street between Long Beach
which way is he heading? On 32nd, going which way?
He's going west.
Okay, don't hang up. Don't hang up. Please don't hang up. Hold on.
Now an emergency operator agency.
Hi, there was a shooting at 32nd Street.
How many victims?
I'm not sure. I'm across the street. My neighbor just told me to call the police.
Okay, did you hear the shots?
Yeah, it was
How many?
multiple shots. It was multiple ones.
Multiple shots. Anyone screaming, asking for help?
Yeah, somebody's screaming, calling for help. Okay, so there's a guy who has a little girl, and she has blood everywhere. The plate of the car is ABI 27758.
What kind of car is this?
It's a Toyota.
A Toyota what? Pickup truck, SUV, what is it?
It's a car.
I know, sedan, pickup, 2-door, 4-door, what color?
It's a 4-door.
4-door?
Yeah.
What color?
It's a blue, like a navy blue. I seen him get out the house, carrying a lady with blood.
Okay, 1 second.
Before he... 770 Person News Central on the street, Curtis, East 32nd Street, a male was seen exiting the home carrying a female that was bleeding. There's a 4-door sedan, blue in color, involved. Stand by for a plate.
That's an opportunity to stand by. I don't know how we can in pursuit of a controlled vehicle. That's round by. 8 Toyota Zebra 758, 8 Toyota Zebra 758, 2015 Toyota Camry, 4-door blue, requesting backup during a supervisor on Citywide Taxi Channel 44.
Alright, we're not going to be available for tracking right now due to the tall building, so I'm going to need you guys to stay engaged. Still northbound on Vine, coming up on Hollywood. She's got the broadcast now.
Broadcast, Hollywood, suspect is orange. Can we get a direction?
Okay, coming up on Virgil, stand by for direction of travel.
I'm currently approaching Virgil.
Okay, let's get stopped at the gas station at Virgil. Get the car. Stand by, looks like you might be taking off. So we're going to be eastbound now on Beverly from Virgil. Alright, just one. The same tire just came off the car. Alright, guys, stand by. On Bellevue, east of Silver Lake. The right front tire is going to be off the vehicle. I got 5 minutes with the suspect vehicle too. Okay, northbound rolling us from Glendale now.
Oh, shot fired. Broadcast.
6867, shot fired, off West Silver Lake Drive. Shot fired, off West Silver Lake Drive. Alright, I got my gun. Fuck.
Not you.
Black and white, that Hyperion. Hold on, northbound. He's coming in front of you guys right now.
Alright, fine. We're good.
Shots fired. Hyperion. Now, Hyperion. From Rowena.
broadcast to airship. We're going to keep our distance. There's a shot fired.
RTC.
Oh, shit. Shots fired. Broadcast.
6867. Shots fired. Officer being held West Silver Lake Drive. Alright, I got my gun. Fuck.
Do not shoot. Get distance. We're getting distance.
Hold on, northbound. He's coming in front of you guys right now.
Alright, fine, man. We're good.
Shots fired. Hang on. Southbound now. Period. From Rowena.
You're good, partner. You're good.
Broadcast to airship. We're going to keep our distance because of shot fired.
Airship, this is 67. We're going to keep our distance. Car TC.
Hey, shots fired. Get down.
Shoot through the window. Watch out.
Hey, get away.
Through the window. Watch out. Whoa,
shit.
Get down. Stay down. Watch your head. Stay down.
Okay, that works for me. Just, okay, do me a favor, just hang tight. I'm gonna hang up right for you for 1 second. I'll call you right back, okay? Okay. It says if you guys could throw a set of handcuffs in, he'll have somebody handcuff him